2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado USB charger replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in my Chevy Silverado, and if yours has a USB port that has the 3 USB ports like this, I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's actually not too bad at all. First thing you want to do is get a plastic pry bar interior tool. These are made out of plastic and they can't scratch your panels, and then maybe a small flathead. You might need it, you might not. So open this up, and then from the left and the right side, we're going to go in with this little plastic interior tool. Like I mentioned, this can't scratch your panels. So you're going to push it in and kind of wiggle and push it in and pop it from the side. It might pop open like this a little bit, and then you might need to do the other side. If you do, just lift up the lid on the aux port, or you can leave it on, whatever works for you, and just kind of get this in between the USB port and then your center console panel. Wiggle it, push it forward. It should pop forward. Sometimes they are stubborn though. And then you're going to have 2 connectors. These have to be disconnected. The gray one has a thumb tab. You just push right in the center and push the connector backwards. It's kind of stiff. And then same with the black one. My fingers are pretty fat, and sometimes I can't do it. So this is where the flathead would come in if you need help with that. Try not to let these wire harnesses fall back in the center console, or else that might suck. Here it is right here. Now, I'm going to give you the part number. The part number is usually on a sticker right here if you have an OEM one. This is the part number. These are actually available on Amazon for about 60 to 74 bucks. They're on sale at the moment of the making of this video, but they'll probably go back to regular price after a while. But I will link this below. And it's OEM, GM OEM, so you just order it, it'll be at your house, and you're good to go. Once you get your new one, it's pretty much just reverse order of what we did. We just plug in the connectors. The gray one's kind of tricky because there's like a connector within a connector, so you want to line that one up perfect before you try to push it in, and just push it in place. It should kind of click or snap into place. And then the black one is pretty straightforward. You just push it back into the spot, should click in as well. And then all we got to do is make sure this gets put back in the proper orientation and just push it into place. It should clip into place, and then you're good to go. You don't need to program the radio or nothing. You just should be good to go. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.